Hi everyone, today, we're going to look at 18 amazing Amazon household gadgets that will simplify your life. Let's start with the Joseph Split Recycler Bin. Designed with two separate compartments, this trash bin allows you to easily separate waste from recycling in one compact unit. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any room, while the removable inner buckets make emptying and cleaning a breeze. Ideal for bathrooms, offices, or under sinks, this recycler bin combines functionality with aesthetics to keep your space tidy and organized. Make the most of your shower space with the OXO Quick Expand Aluminum Pole Caddy. Made from rust-proof anodized aluminum, this caddy fits perfectly in any corner of your shower or bath area, thanks to its adjustable tool-free installation. It features 4 customizable shelves, a dedicated razor holder, and a hook for all your shower essentials. The shelf trays even have holes for storing bottles upside down, making it easy to get every last drop of your favorite shampoo or conditioner. When it's time for a deep clean, you can quickly remove the trays with a push of a button. Say goodbye to traditional brooms and hello to the Grommet 2-in-1 rotating broom and squeegee. This innovative tool combines a broom and a squeegee head, making it perfect for sweeping up debris and then switching to wipe down floors or windows. Whether you're cleaning up after a spill or dealing with pet hair, this versatile tool makes household cleaning quicker and easier. This cordless electric mop is designed to make floor cleaning faster and more effective. Featuring dual spinning heads, it delivers powerful scrubbing action to effortlessly remove dirt, grime, and stains. The built-in water spray tank lets you spray and mop simultaneously. With its cordless design, you can move freely around your home without restrictions, and its lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver. Perfect for cleaning hardwood, tile, and laminate floors. This OXO dish brush is a handy kitchen tool designed to make dishwashing easier and more efficient. With its built-in soap dispenser, you can release just the right amount of soap with a simple push of a button. The durable bristles effectively scrub away grease and grime, while the comfortable non-slip handle provides a secure grip even when wet. Ideal for tackling dishes, pots, and pans, this brush is a must-have for any kitchen. Say goodbye to countertop clutter with the sink faucet storage rack. This compact gadget clips right onto your faucet, providing a convenient spot to hold sponges, scrubbers, or even soap bottles. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it's perfect for keeping your sink area tidy and ensuring that everything you need is within arm's reach. Its open design allows for quick drying, reducing the risk of mold or mildew buildup. No space for a traditional dryer? No problem. The Beyond High-Tech Compact Tumble Dryer is the perfect solution for small apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs where space is limited. Despite its compact design, this dryer delivers exceptional performance with its powerful airflow and 8 unique drying cycles tailored for various needs, such as bulky items, shoes, and delicate fabrics. Equipped with anti-tangling AI technology, it guarantees that your clothes come out evenly dried and tangle-free every time. Plus, its lightweight and portable build makes it easy to move and store wherever you need it. If you're looking for a space-saving yet effective laundry solution that doesn't compromise on performance, this compact dryer is the answer. Dry your clothes wherever you go with this versatile cloth line featuring built-in hooks and clips. Whether you're hanging up delicates at home or drying swimwear on a camping trip, this adjustable clothesline is perfect for any situation. The hooks secure it tightly between walls, trees, or any sturdy support, while the clips keep your items firmly in place, preventing them from blowing away. Scrubbing tough stains just got a whole lot easier with the Pump It Off Cleaner tool. Featuring flexible silicone bristles and a comfortable grip, this tool is perfect for removing dirt, grime, and soap scum from a variety of surfaces. Use it on your kitchen sink, bathroom tiles, or even your stove. Its heat-resistant design makes it suitable for hot water scrubbing, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Keep your dish brush off the counter and within easy reach with the dish cleaner brush featuring a handy sink rest. The ergonomic handle and durable bristles tackle tough food residue, while the built-in sink rest keeps the brush upright and dry, reducing bacterial buildup. Ideal for scrubbing pots, pans, and dishes, it helps keep your kitchen hygienic and clutter-free. Keep your bathroom essentials neatly organized with the Joseph Bathroom Accessories Caddy. This compact caddy features compartments of various sizes, perfect for holding toothbrushes, toothpaste, razors, and other small items. Its non-slip base ensures it stays firmly in place, and the easy-to-clean design means no more messy bathroom counters. Make hand washing more hygienic with the C-Pump single-handed soap dispenser. Its unique design allows you to dispense soap with just the back of your hand, reducing the spread of germs. Whether you're in the kitchen or bathroom, this sleek dispenser adds a touch of convenience and modern style to your sink area. The Joseph Easy Tier Kitchen Roll Holder is a sleek and functional addition to any kitchen. Designed with a tier bar mechanism, it ensures a perfect, one-handed tear every time, making it easy to grab just the right amount of paper towel. The weighted base keeps it stable during use, and the integrated top grip prevents the roll from unraveling. Compatible with various roll sizes, this holder is perfect for keeping your paper towels organized and accessible while adding a modern touch to your countertop. Keep your home spotless with this compact, handheld rechargeable vacuum cleaner. Perfect for quick cleanups in hard-to-reach spots, this gadget comes with multiple nozzles for different surfaces, including sofas, car interiors, and countertops. With its powerful suction and lightweight design, it's easy to maneuver and store. Rechargeable and cordless, it's a practical tool for handling small messes without dragging out your full-sized vacuum. This isn't your average napkin holder. The OXO Simply Pull napkin holder features a weighted arm that keeps napkins secure and allows for one-handed refilling. The arm opens wide to accommodate various napkin sizes and folds flat for compact storage. Rubber grips on the bottom ensure it stays put, even on slippery surfaces. It's a stylish and practical way to keep your dining table neat and napkins easily accessible. Never struggle with ice cubes again. The Joseph Quick Snap Ice Cube Tray lets you release just one ice cube at a time with a simple push. Just twist the tray to loosen the cubes, then push each switch individually to pop them out. With a 14 cube capacity, this tray is perfect for chilling your favorite drinks without any fuss. If you love cooking, you'll appreciate the Joseph Folding Cookbook Stand. This compact stand unfolds to hold your cookbook, tablet, or even a printed recipe securely in place. The non-slip base keeps it steady, while the integrated page holders ensure you won't lose your place. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage in a drawer or on a shelf. It's a must-have for any home chef looking to keep recipes accessible and organized. The Mini Ultrasonic Washing Machine is a compact and efficient solution for cleaning small loads, delicate fabrics, or travel essentials. Utilizing ultrasonic technology, it generates high-frequency vibrations to break down dirt and stains, ensuring a gentle yet thorough wash. Its portable and lightweight design makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, and travel, allowing you to do laundry anywhere. Simply place it in a bucket or sink, and let it handle your laundry with ease, ideal for socks, underwear, and baby clothes. And there you have it, 18 Amazon household gadgets that will truly make your life easier. Let me know in the comments which gadget is your favorite, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting household gadget videos.